how to remove Bitmoji on Snapchat. The first things first is, of course, access your Snapchat application. Now from here, you just have to make sure that you're currently logged into your account. Then once you do, you'll just have to go all the way to the left portion of your screen, which will route you to your user profile. Now once you're here, as you can see, we still have that Bitmoji right there. So let's try to remove that. To remove that, you can go all the way to the right corner of your screen, which will take you to your user settings or the gear icon. Just tap on that. Now, if you scroll down a little bit and look for Bitmoji, it is usually located below notifications. So let's tap Bitmoji. So once you're here, you will see three options: change my outfit, edit my Bitmoji, or choose a selfie. As you can see, there is actually a fourth option there, or the last option that says unlink my Bitmoji. So since we're removing it, so it's just simply tap on that and just tap on remove. There you go. So we have successfully removed our Bitmoji, and that's how you do it.